Hello, friend. We've recently been on a camping trip for a long weekend to the beautiful island of Noirmoutier, which is in the Vendée. It's connected to the mainland by a bridge and a submersible causeway that's only accessible at low tide. It is famous for its saltwater marshes that cover nearly a third of the island and its dominating sand dunes. And the length of the island is approximately only about 18 kilometres, so it's a great place to explore with the children and actually anyone who loves nature and the outdoors. When we camp, we keep it simple, under canvas, and pack just a few things. We used to take a trailer and pack it full of the things we thought were necessary for our comfort, determined to camp in style. But now we leave the trailer at home and keep it simple, having learnt we can be comfortable with very little and that holidays don't have to be long, expensive, and luxurious to refresh and restore us. We've discovered the lasting value of our camping trip isn't having all the levels of comfort we enjoy at home, but the simple and precious memories we make together. Climbing stones, skimming rocks, swimming along the shore, beach volleyball, eating tinned food washed down with lots of tea and biscuits while watching the sunrise and set over the beautiful bay. Remember, friend, today is a good day, even when it doesn't feel that way. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.